Hey guys,
Hello.
welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we're doing
Filipino snacks and sweets. So yes, we're gonna be rating it, hopefully, maybe, or should we just go with the flow?
Yeah.
Whatever goes, it goes. I think we're gonna start off first with savoury and then sweet.
yeah.
More like, you know.
What's first up then, guys?
First up is one of my favourites. I used to bang this out when I was young. This is the sweet corn crisps. It should taste like the actual sweet corn itself. You did it on this.
First up, so what's it called?
Sweet corn, golden sweet corn. It smells actually like sweet corn.
So it's like a little
banging.
ball.
Yeah. What do you make of it? Does it taste like sweet corn?
Literally 100%. Exactly like sweet corn.
Out of 10?
Oh yeah. Out of 10. Probably like a 9.
Ooh!
It's actually kind of weird though, like if you think about it, sweet corn as
I
a
know.
snack in somewhat of a
crisp form.
crisp form.
But it's a unique one, isn't
Pretty
it?
decent. I like that.
Yay! Next up, teriyaki chicken flavoured crackers. I think this is for, made in the Philippines, yeah. To be fair, me personally, I don't think I've tried this before. So this will be the first time I'm trying it. It smells like very...
Smells a bit
mild.
weird though, man.
It smells mild, but it smells weird.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
It reminds me of quavers, like a lighter version of a quaver. Maybe.
Not bad.
Oh,
It's not actually bad.
that's quite sweet.
I do like a teriyaki though.
Love teriyaki. Love teriyaki.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. Out of 10.
I'm gonna give that one a 7. Straight 7.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
Oh,
it.
sorry.
There we go. On to the next.
Okay. Next up, quick sip of water. No, Sam.
Go for it.
Sorry. Thank you. Next up is Marty's Crackling. Now this is a vegetarian one. Vegetarian chicharron. It's
Chicharron.
very popular in the Philippines, and this is a spicy vinegar flavour. Usually I love...
gluten-free as well, mate.
Yeah. So those of us who can't or don't like...
I've tried chicharron before, but not this brand.
Yeah, it's a manjuan.
Manjuan.
We love manjuan.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Bring it to the left. God. Cost us £1.90.
£1.90, yeah. I mean, it's expected.
What's the
but
prices like in Philippines?
I can't remember, but it's not going to be one now. Anyway, let's just...
Try that.
Some of my favourite... Oh, that vinegar hit.
Yeah, chicharron
That
is
goes up your nose.
one of my favourite snacks
So
of the Philippines.
Bum. I'll do it as well. Marty's or manjuans? Manjuans. But it's nice though. Yeah, it definitely, this one I always kind of will be the one I recommend to anyone who's trying out any like Filipino snacks.
It's not bad though, I like it.
Yeah.
But I ain't like manjuans. Manjuans?
Manjuan. Oh, that's quite nice.
Filipinos love their vinegar.
Is it?
It's actually pretty decent.
Yeah, you get that vinegar in it and the spice.
You also get that little crunch.
Yeah.
Kind of emulates that little crackling.
Yeah. Or yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll fashion
So I'm
style.
gonna give that one
Yeah, out of 10.
probably like an 8. I kind of like that.
Not bad.
I do like
Not bad. Yeah, you love the manjuan. We
a
both.
vegetarian chicharron.
Yes.
Yeah. Because usually it's pork, right?
Yeah. Chicharron basically is pork rinds. You know, like
Pork scratching.
pork scratching that you get in the
Yeah,
UK. Yeah, literally pork scratching. but it's the vegetarian version. If I said if you don't like it or if you don't eat pork.
Come on, let's go to the next one.
Next
On to the
one.
next one. On to the next.
Next one is, we have a lot by the way, so you might want to get yourself some Christmas order.
Literally, so much.
Yeah, literally. This is a potato chips V-cuts.
V-cuts. Cheese.
Now,
Hey, what does it say there?
Oh,
Cheesier
sorry.
than ever.
Cheesier than ever, yeah. It's cheese flavour.
Real potatoes as well. None of that fake stuff.
Can you remember the smell?
It's not that cheesy.
I know, it's not cheesy.
Yeah.
Some of these I have not had in like literally years.
Try this one.
No, that's not lie.
V-cuts.
These...
I thought it would be shaped in a V, but it's not. It looks like a bit like
McCoy's, you know, like how it's like with the ridge.
but less ridge.
It's quite thin.
Actually, do you know what this tastes like? Mini cheddars. A little bit.
Oh,
Oh, you like little.
yeah.
Little cracker, not cracker, what is
So
it?
cheesy kind of
Yeah.
cheesy crackers taste.
They're pretty decent.
Not too cheesy, but
You rip off the price. You take the price off.
yeah, I think it's like $1.69.
You know, like a lot of Jack and Jill products.
Yeah, the company is called Jack and Jill.
The
Yeah,
biggest like.
yeah. But out of 10, what would you rate that?
This one give it like a 6, 6.5.
Yeah. These ones was okay. I'm not really a big fan of too much, but that's the V-cuts.
V-cuts.
Next up, guys, it's my personal, another favourite. Sweet corn on this
Pull it
one.
out, mate. Pull it out.
Childhood faves. Cheese ring!
I have tried this one, by the way.
Yes. I don't know if I want to share this one with you. No, I can't open it.
What I've noticed here is with a lot of Asian products, you can't. Well, us in England, we just
In the middle, you go like that.
literally just pull it open. But these ones, you just gotta tear it.
On the sides, always on the side. See?
Hands are a bit greasy. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Cheese rings.
Look at that. Oh!
At first glance, they remind me of a circled version of what's that thing called again? From America?
Huh?
Cheetos. Is it Cheetos?
Cheetos.
Yeah. Well, like a circle version.
It's a bit sweet as well, to be fair. Well.
Why?
Love these ones, I swear. I think like 10 packs of those as well.
I give this one an 8.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not bad. These won't be going to waste, by the way. Don't worry, we're going to eat them all afterwards. We have something.
I'll sleep on the table.
Yeah. Okay, so next up as well, a very popular one, nagaraya. So these are peanuts covered in like shell, and they've got like different flavors like garlic. This one is adobo.
Adobo. Explain to them what adobo is.
Adobo is it's a national dish of Philippines, I guess you'd call it. It's got chicken, soy sauce, vinegar.
Yeah, it is the national dish, and I can make a mean adobo though.
You can make a good adobo, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Probably better
really
than,
do not go there.
well, we'll have a cook-off soon enough.
We will be having a cook-off, and I think maybe Mum will be the judge of it. I swear, if I don't win that one, I'll be pissed. Again! There we go.
There you go.
That's fine. I love these ones as well. Oh, sorry. Crunchy.
So it's little round balls. What are peanuts, right? It's like a cracker.
Like a shell. Oh, water. Rating.
Yeah, they're not bad, mate.
Rating.
7.
Okay.
Straight 7.
7. Okay, fair enough. Okay.
So clean the palate.
Yeah, cleanse the palate. Okay, these next ones are very popular. Love these. Ding dong!
Ding dong.
The witch is dead. Right, this one is the hot and spicy. That one's the garlic flavour.
There's the mixed. Wasn't it mixed nuts, right?
Mixed nuts, yeah. It's got like.
You got peas in that as well, right?
Yeah, cornic, which is like a. Oh my god, how would you explain it? Oh my gosh, there's cracker nuts, peanuts, green peas. Literally. It's nice.
Ooh. Get a little kick. Straight up.
Garlicky.
Yeah, like proper garlic.
So, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like that. Ah! Yeah.
I'm gonna go for this one real quick.
Top. It's halal as well.
Yeah.
The garlic one though.
For this one real quick. A little handful.
Also, which one do you prefer, isn't it? Hot and spicy or garlic?
Probably gonna go for the garlic one.
Out of 10 for each of them?
7. A 6.
Okay, 7, 6. Yeah, fair enough. I don't know if you're going through these quite fast, but don't make it too long, do we now? Oh. Okay.
What's next? Let me see.
Next up. Okay. This one is called Lala.
Voilà.
It's the fish crackers. I think it's called Lala. Fish crackers.
Filipino? Yeah.
I don't know if yeah, Filipinos. Venezuela?
Venezuela, sí.
Valenzuela.
Venezuela.
Öppna.
Your hands are a bit greasy, yeah? You don't want to open this one, I'm telling you.
I need some like scissors
Yeah,
of some sort. I don't know if I don't know.
That's the thing, you can't even pull
Okay.
it open like this, you know, like, you have to like
You have to
actually tear it like.
Wait, let me go again.
Go on.
Oh my gosh, it doesn't want to get open. Huh?
Are you Filipino, like, whoever manufactured this from to make it a bit more easier for us, yeah.
Can't like that.
No
Okay, we've gone through it.
way. Get that little kick straight away, like.
What the? Oh, let me see.
Some nice fish with it.
Oh yeah, that's fishy. Yeah,
Yeah, some nice fishy.
but it always tastes nice though.
That's what it looks
It's
like.
quite thick, cheek thick.
Yeah. Wow.
No,
No, I ain't feeling that.
it's quite.
Remember it? What is it? What's it?
You know those crackers that come to like when you order like a Chinese? It's a bit like that, but a bit more fishier and thicker. It doesn't melt in your mouth as nicely as that one.
It's artificial fish flavour.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's a no-no. For me, that's a no-no.
No.
I'm gonna give that like a 4.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough. Cleanse the palate.
So I'll bring out something nice.
Okay. I think this will be the last one. Yeah, I think this is the last of the savoury snacks. Next one is a very, very popular chichacorn, or they call it cornic. These are also available in like some flavours like garlic, pepper again, and they basically. How does one explain it?
What? Oh, like.
Yeah, you know the one that you like, the adobo bawang. It's very. I think it's like dried, like it's hard, like corn, like crunchy corn.
Yes, technically just fried corn.
Is it fried?
Yes, fried corn.
No, it's dried.
No, fried.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's actually kind of hard.
Yeah, it's quite crunchy. It's
assuming.
nice. It's nice.
Yeah, always buy Pinoy as well. Yeah, support the Pinoys. Yeah, you do get a little garlic kick from it.
Garlic is like a favourite in Philippines.
Yeah, it's literally like fried.
But we'll zoom in somewhere.
We've got something similar like this, similar to this in Morocco.
Yeah. What's it called?
Oh no, I haven't been on years. Years.
Oopsies. Don't try that.
Well, that's. Don't mind that.
Oh, so crunchy, I can hear it. Out of 10.
I'm gonna give that a 7.
Okay.
Straight 7.
Okay. Really? Did you put
Notice a lot of these snacks are like either garlic or vinegar based.
Really?
Or fish based. But yeah.
Yeah, we be like this flavour's always
Go on, on to the next, chop chop.
okay.
Kinda hungry.
Next, oh, okay, I've already kind of opened these. But this is sugar biscuits, ota. Right? Like that.
Jeez.
This is it's lovely with a cup of tea.
Two and one.
So these are like kind of, again, I don't know how to explain. It's almost like
Donuts. I feel like they're very thin. Like,
it's a flaky biscuit. Yeah.
very thin.
It's almost like, you know, this filipino has been dried out and made into a biscuit. It's kind of like that a little bit, and it's got sugariness on top of it. Sugar biscuit.
Pretty decent, mate.
For a cup of tea or coffee. Bam.
With that
With
8.
the vanilla flavour as well, huh? 8.
Big 8.
Okay. I'll come back to that one.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Real quick.
Let's see what's last. Now,
What else?
this one is called Yaya. Love these. I think
So why are they purple for?
it's ube.
But what is ube?
Ube is purple yam, and it's very popular in the Philippines, used in savoury and dessert dishes quite often. You get it in ice cream, cakes. It's just very popular. These I haven't tried. Okay, the first time I tried it when Mum came back from the Philippines in January. My brother bought me these. Right, sorry. They're called ube pastillas. Pastilla?
I think so, yeah.
It's a chewy sweet, but it's burning. Love them. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, so good.
give that like a 7 as well.
In terms of texture, you like it or?
Bit chewy.
Yeah.
Different.
I love those.
You definitely taste the ube.
Yeah. If you haven't tried the ube before, you should.
It's a straight. What did I say? 8, right?
You said 7.
7. Give it a
You
7.
gonna change it?
No, 7.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So, next up, I've already opened these as well. I'm sorry. These are chocolate. There's another brand that I got. It's called Chocostar.
What's the difference?
They're the same thing, but I think it's just a different brand. I think.
Not bad.
Let's go for chocolate. Yeah, it's a peanut milk chocolate. It's the same thing. I love these. Okay.
Sorry, look.
Basically, it's like a very soft peanutty. Wait. See how that just crumbles.
Yeah.
It's very soft. It melts in your mouth. I love them. I'm gonna do a whole pack. It's peanut, chocolate, but not like.
Vanilla in that as well.
But it's not like Reese's. It doesn't taste like Reese's at all. It's different.
But it does remind me of like a Moroccan, somewhat of a cake, or it's called spoof. Yeah, it's made out of peanuts and nuts.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Definitely give us a go actually. Because I feel like, all round good points.
I'm gonna give that a 7 as well.
Yeah. Okay.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. All right.
Oh, what's next? What's next?
Okay, so next up, I get my favourites.
What's this?
These
Super
are called Super Sticks. There's other brand called Sticko, but we only got this on this one. This one is, what flavour is this one? Choco flavoured dots, and that's the Uber flavour. Absolutely love these, mate.
It looks like just a stick.
It's like basically those wafers. Oh, this one's hard to get out. They always come in kind of, there's 2 of them that come out of this.
Wait, hold up. Why is this one $2.89? That's $3.59. I thought they're the same. Like, what? Sorry, it was cut out.
Bitch.
Anyway.
I didn't even check. It was at the shop and I was like, yep. Take. Yeah, boo. I'm gonna try the ube.
Could actually use these as a straw.
Yeah, for like a drink or something, isn't it?
Milk.
Like milk.
Yeah.
Which one do you prefer? And out of 10.
Both. I'm gonna give them both 7.5.
Okay. Which one do you prefer more?
More. That's a hard choice, man. Yeah, same for me.
Okay.
I honestly wouldn't mind having either one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's next? What's next? What's next?
So I think we've got 2 items left.
2.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Gee.
We've gone through them. Okay. 2 on the table. White Rabbit and Copico.
I told him about Copico.
Copico it's a coffee
Coffee brand, right?
brand in the Philippines. Where's that brand from?
No. Oh, it doesn't matter.
These are very popular like sweets. From Copico.
Oh, so they're actually hard sweets.
Yeah.
I thought they were gonna be like chocolate sweet.
No. This is a chewy one.
Yeah, get that coffee in there.
love these. They look like that. Wait.
Sorry, I'll just like crunch on it real quick.
I don't know if I can like this.
See this up in it. I'm gonna give that a quick rating
You
right
can
now.
get the coffee though, like in a nice way, but it's like it's there.
I'm gonna give this a 6.5.
Really?
Yeah, 6.5 for me. Maybe a 7. Yeah.
With the milk in there, get the coffee in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna give that a 7.
Yeah. Okay.
White rabbit.
Next one. I don't think it's made in
Nice.
Philippines, but it's
I think
quite
it's
popular one.
Chinese. Yeah, product of China.
Yeah.
Jeez.
This I haven't had in I don't think years. So.
Is this so hard? Sweet as well? Or?
Kind of, but it's somewhat chewy as well. I don't remember how they taste.
It's okay, I did that as well. So it's white rabbit. It's got a bit of Chinese writing on it.
Oh, I forgot these wrappers that come with it. I don't know if it's edible. I used to like. Oh gosh. It always gets stuck. And I never knew like if you could like eat. Anyway, you know what, we're going in. Oh,
More chewy than hard.
no, it's not hard. Not like that, hard candy. Oh. It's quite hot to
I get a
chew.
little hit. I get a little hint of Milky Way in that. Yeah, Milky Way, the chocolate bar.
Tiniest bit. Oh my god.
I kind of like that.
Yeah?
I'm gonna give that
Sorry, by the way.
7.5.
Okay.
I kind of like that. So what, these are kind of big in the Philippines? Or? It's creamy candy.
It is. Yeah, quite milky. It's nice.
Oh, it does have rice paper.
Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. Because when you open it, you'll see this kind of like very thin white layer of like paper. And I used to think it was. Is this like edible? Like, what the fuck? Yeah, look right there.
Oh, so it's easier to online wrap. Because if it was wrapped to this, it would have stuck to this.
Okay.
You can see that paper right there.
I ate that.
Yeah, it's edible.
Oh, okay.
This part's edible. It's rice paper.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna give that. What did I say?
So what's that? I don't know.
A 7.5, I think.
Yeah.
Or was that 8? I'm gonna give it a 7.5. Yeah, I'll do that. Anything else?
That's it.
Let me see what else.
What did you?
Bring me the sweet corn ones, please. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, these probably were my favourite of today. And I really enjoyed this.
My favourite as well. That and
I
cheese.
actually didn't like, you know what? I was so shocking about it. It actually tastes like sweet corn.
Yeah.
You know.
Are you gonna share or? Okay. Top 3.
So before we end this, let me just do my quick top 3, yeah? So, warm, no order, just my top 3 straight. I'll go for these sweet corn, these chicharron one, and I'm putting a sweet, these ones, the
Oh.
white rabbits. I actually really
Really?
enjoyed these, yeah. It just reminded me of Milky Ways. But yeah, these, that's my top 3.
Yeah.
What's your top 3?
Me, keep us the sweet corn and the
Sweet
cheese
corn.
ring, obviously. And the cheese ring. These two will forever be one of my absolute favourites. I can't like part ways with them.
And then one more.
I don't know.
Go.
Maybe.
Quickly. Pardon me.
I don't know.
that, yeah.
Maybe these two.
No, you have to pick one.
No, I don't know.
Guys, she has to pick one.
I don't know.
Pick these ones. I see you eat these ones a lot.
Yeah. I'll
And
go for
then
that one.
this one's creeping in. So
Yeah.
we'll just feature this one as well, just in case.
Make a little cameo.
Don't want to leave this one out.
No, but let's say these,
Yeah.
and then this will make a little cameo in the end.
Yeah.
That's my one, I think.
Not bad. Well, anyway, guys,
Yeah.
thank you for sticking with us.
Yes.
Hope you enjoyed our first YouTube video, and we hope to see you
On the next one.
definitely.
Comment, obviously like, share, subscribe. If you wish.
Give us any recommendations as well.
Yes, recommendations, yeah. We actually want to do some like food as well. Like next time, I don't know, I might get a takeaway or I'll cook something for massive feast as such. And we'll go from there. So yeah. Hope you join us next time. Yeah? See you whenever.
Salamat po!